What's up, Oreo? What's up, Oreo? Everybody, this is my grandbaby, Oreo. One of my grandkittens, Oreo. From my cat Sox's litter. So I'm kind of like these there's no one hiding somewhere, but I'm these kittens' grandma and mom too. So this is my grandson kitten, Oreo. Say hey to the camera, Oreo. Say hey. Trying to get Pepper to come out, his sister. Meow meow meows. Meow 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 meow. Hey meow meows. Hey meow 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 meows. Come on, Pepper. Come out and play. Yeah. I have 2 grand kittens. There was 3 and then one wouldn't come out, so something happened to the third one, so I only got 2. They're living here in a little house. They're skittish, but they're starting to get used to me and starting to let me hold them and pet them and play with them because they know I won't hurt them and I feed them every day. Hey, hey. Oreo. 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 Say hey to the camera, Oreo. You gonna say hey? This is Oreo. Yeah, they're kind of skittish, but they're getting used to me. Hey! This is the one, Oreo. He, some days he likes me, some days he don't like me. Yesterday is the first day he let me hold him, didn't get mad. Sometimes he hisses at me, but that's okay. Some days he likes me, some days he don't like me.